The Update Standard Cost form allows you to mass update standard costs for inventory items. You can view by warehouse the list of inventory items with pending standard costs and update the standard costs for all items displayed in the list, or only select those you want to update. You can specify the pending standard costs for stock items on the Price Cost tab on the Stock Items form, and override the standard cost for a particular warehouse by using the Item Warehouse Details form. You can specify the pending standard costs for non-stock items on the Non-Stock Items form. In the Warehouse box, select the warehouse, or leave this box blank to view the inventory items for all warehouses. This box only appears if multiple warehouses is enabled. In the Max Pending Cost Date box, select the latest effective pending cost date. The system will then display all costs pending update with a date earlier than or the same date as this. Revalue Inventory is a checkbox that you select to indicate that inventory revaluation should be performed during processing. If this checkbox is selected, the system only revalues the inventory without updating standard costs. If this checkbox is cleared, the system updates standard costs to pending costs and then revalues inventory. A list of inventory items with pending standard costs are shown, and you can select the items for which standard costs will be updated. Select the inventory items you want to update the standard costs and click Process. Alternatively, if you want to process all of the inventory items shown in the table, click Process All.